Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to switch your Twitter profile to professional services on PC. Let's dive into the simple process to give your profile a professional touch. To begin, click on your profile image situated at the top right corner of your screen. This will lead you to your profile settings where you can make the necessary changes. Next, locate the button in the top right corner labeled Edit Profile and click on it. This will allow you to edit and customize your profile. Scroll down until you see the option to Edit Professional Profile. Click on this to access more detailed settings related to your profile. Now, click on Category to specify the type of profile you want. Search for Professional Services and select it to align your profile with this category. Once you've chosen Professional Services, remember to click on Save to apply the changes to your Twitter profile. Congratulations! You've successfully switched your Twitter profile to professional services on PC. Your profile now reflects your professional identity and expertise in the industry. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more tutorials and tips to enhance your social media presence. See you next time.